Okay, here we are, day 2 of our canning manic week, whatever you want to call it. We've decided to can all this week. This recipe today is out of the Amish cookbook. On page, 183. Ding ding. It's called Chili Con Carne. I'll hold this up so you can see the ingredients. It's really quite simple. And I'll show you what we've made so far, because we do adjust everything. And here is Dagny's dehydrated garlic. And it is absolutely to die for. It's just delicious. And I'm going to film her next time she feels like making some, how she does this with her little hand crank thingamabob. And once it's dry, it's probably got 10 times the flavor of any other garlic you can get a hold of. We will be putting this garlic in the jars the last thing. We're not putting it in what we're making right now. This is the recipe all put together, except garlic. And we may have to add more beans, maybe not. I don't know. But we've added poblano peppers, serrano peppers, jalapeno peppers. I think you get the point. We like hot. Here we go. There's our big stock pot of chili. My filling station there, and here's some salt, ladle, funnel, jar lids, which we'll be putting in boiling water here shortly. Dagny's dehydrated garlic. There's vinegar and paper towel. Her wiping and capping station. Debubbler, magnetic thing to get the lids out of the water. The lifter. Lids. Okay. I just put in salt and dehydrated garlic over here, and I know the viewers probably watch 1,000 canning videos. You know how to fill up a jar. But this is getting filled. Probably too much. But Dagny's got to be bubbling. This is a meal in a jar. It's the best chili we have made, I think. We make some good chilies. One pot meals. Now, Dagny's over here looking for a 1-inch headspace on this. How'd you do that? I reversed every one of them.
I don't know.
Huh. Oh well.
Come on.
We're using per jars, per lids, per everything.
Yep.
I'll let you know how it turns out, but I'm sure it'll turn out perfect. Okay, even with all the stuff we added, I think we had more beans than it called for, but I'm not sure. But all the stuff we added, we only had a quart left. Yep. That's dinner. Everything is in the pressure cooker. And I want to show you a shortcut. How to check if you're in an area that doesn't allow you to see the steam from your pressure canner. Take something safe, like that, and you can hold it up, and you'll see the steam, and I'll do this again, but you'll see it, and you're safe. As you can see, there's no steam coming out of this vent. Now you can feel it, and it's just hard as heck to see. So Dagny will show how to use the lid. And I will zoom in. Whoops. Angle it a little bit back or something so you can see it. You see the steam on that lid?
Yeah.
You can move it around. So, that's how you can see. And don't get your hands around it like Dagny's doing, but you can see that steam all over it.
Yep.
Okay, that's how to keep safe, friends. Well, this is our Chili Con Carne from the Amish cookbook.
Yeah.
Boy, you can see this. Oops. They're all cooking.